playing with today.
Oh, hold on.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all know Precious right there. We got Big Brother right here. Cuz got his shit out here with the 30 round on it. Stop playing with him. Naughty got that the green bean on it. Green bean. Cuz got the Smith & Wesson out here, man. So yeah, man, stop playing. That's the lineup just for the day, man. Y'all know.
Should I wear these with these?
You know what I'm saying?
These with these. These.
I'll just wear these then.
These with these.
But that's it, all right. Stop
Or
playing.
these.
Hey, you come over here and get your ass. You come over here and get your ass bust up, bro. We got this shit like Skittles in this bit. Like, you never know, bitch. This right here might be mixed up with some hollows and some, you know what I mean? Like, stop playing. Like, you gonna get everything you fuck around over here. Get your ass.
Right here?
Nah, we gonna go down there.
We gotta go down.
Yeah, man. We got a bunch of shit out here today, man.
Yeah.
About the
Go ahead.
the infamous path,
trail,
man.
my boys. Oh, y'all already know this news.
Already know. She got the green bean.
The new.
Yeah.
Got the gang out.
Already. So y'all, man, y'all stay tuned, man. About to do another one for the sun go down, man. It's so goddamn fast, bro.
Oh, bro, hold on. You got the thorns.
What you shooting, Naughty?
You already know what the fuck going on. It's that G2C. Y'all ears popped yet?
And with the green
you ready
bean
to
on
shoot
it.
this bitch? Yo, with the green bean. Come
Said
on.
y'all familiar with that right there, but said she don't dress it up with the green beam today, man.
New boy, bring her at the peg. Bring her at the peg. Hey, I put the safety on that bitch.
Oh,
Hey, that bitch slide.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What you shooting? What you shooting for? You start shooting, bro.
G19.
G19 with the 30 round, man. Stop playing with them.
That's all.
Ain't gonna empty.
I say that's all.
Man, we just out here just a little something, you know what I'm saying, for him today.
Where your bomb at?
Hey, Naughty,
I only got 8 bullets.
you might as well shoot goddamn. Shoot whatever in that. I done took some of them out. That's Precious, man. You gotta cock that bitch.
I don't see if I can see that light. I can do a little bit.
Yeah, once it get dark, you can
Right
see
there,
it, but
yeah.
that purple ain't gonna be like,
What's on the tree?
yeah.
Nah, yeah, back there.
That purple ain't gonna be as bright as the rest of them. That bitch smooth, ain't it, boy?
Oh, my mama, bro.
Yeah, that's
It
that
don't really
goddamn. That's that goddamn FN, boy. I'll hit that slide release right here. Push it down. It's tough. Push it down hard. Yeah, there you go. All right, man. Got Precious
That
a little
bitch
hot.
smooth.
She warm. We got her warm
I
today.
ain't expect it to be so smooth though. Like
That bitch hit harder than that G2.
it don't really hit hard at all, bro. That shit
louder.
crazy.
That bitch.
Loud.
And you can tell, bitch.
But like when I shoot it ain't really got no kick for my
It
little
did a
ass.
little bit.
What you say? I'm a buck 20, nigga.
I seen your hand shoot back a little bit.
Yeah.
It got a little more kick.
So
That
this
bitch
is
got
a
some
buck
kick to
20
it.
hand on a big ass gun.
But that bitch got
so
done
you
smooth,
little niggas
man.
be safe out here.
See, you was
Don't go-
doing it like you was
Don't go
doing one
shoot
hand
it.
shit.
Yeah, on my mama.
You ain't
Yeah.
got to. You know what I'm saying? If
Yeah.
you really want to get zone in on
Active,
motherfucker,
you can do two.
2 hands. Hold that bitch
Bitch, you
steady.
can hold that bitch like
hold that
this,
bitch steady like the police.
Hold that bitch like that. That's what I'm saying. Oh,
Yeah,
I already know how
man.
we get active though. Tap in, tap
Tap
out.
in. Hold on. Hey, hold this camera real quick,
Yes,
man.
sir.
You better yell that bitch.
I'm about to shoot that 40.
He got to show out.
I would have 40. You ain't bring 40, right?
That bitch tuck that motherfucker.
40 motherfuckers.
Hey, hold on, bro. What you shooting?
This is goddamn Glock 23, man. All the 40 cal shit. Y'all already know about this. This Big Brother right here.
Yo.
I ain't gonna empty, man. Got down, hey.
And like I said, if you a little nigga, stay out the way. Them crickets almost.
Y'all see I cleared everything and shit. Y'all be on that safety, that gun safety shit real heavy, so make sure I clear that shit for them people, man.
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Oh, okay, you gotta show out.
We got an MP motherfucking Smith & Wesson 2.0, you know.
Go ahead. Tap in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that bitch blue.
That bitch blowing, son.
That bitch blue.
Oh yeah. So man, look. Gotta press it down here. I done tucked it down. You already know, man. We just did a little something for y'all today, man. But
No war zone.
man, y'all make sure y'all tap in, like the video, man. Comment, subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet. Like I said, hit that like button for me if you can find it, man. We did something real quick, little light shit. Before it got dark, we had to, let a little something spark, man. But I appreciate y'all, man. And y'all just stay tuned for the next, man. Something real quick for my gun people on the channel, man. Like I said, I love y'all, man. Till the next video, we out.